Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you about the OpenLayer map uh, mapping things. So I'm going to create a new folder now. So I will just write it as August. Today is August 4. So I am working in this directory. So I'll just copy it. Then I will go to the Visual Studio Code. Okay. So uh, I have one tutorial that I will provide you in the link below, so you can use this tutorial to make your own map. So after this I will just open my folder. So this one is my folder, though this folder is empty. I will go to the terminal and go to new terminal. In this it's already gone to the this file. Inside this file, so inside this I will create a npx OpenLayer app that will help to make a app by creating a package. Then I'll just hit the enter. Then all the things will be installed and npx has been installed and the files are being extracted from the npm. npm stands for node package manager. So this when we see at this html code, we can see the style. On the style there is html and body and map. So inside the map there is the position, and top is given 0, bottom is padding is given 0, width is 100%. So it will be a full map. So the script source is main.javascript, which is this one. Then it has not import any OpenLayer packages imported. It hasn't imported anything. So the div id is map. So in this div the map will be added. So it has been installed. Now we can see the map by using npm start. Okay, when we click this npm start, it will be hosted in local server. So you can just go to this server in this file and you can see the output after building up. Okay, it has been built up and we can see the map here. Okay, so we can just change this height to 50%, and also we can see the difference. So okay, I think it hasn't changed anything. Oh no, it's in the HTML, so I should change in the map. Okay, so after this we can see it has been 50%, and I can also change the top as 10px, button as 10px, and save it. Then okay, when I go to inspect, I can see the console. There is no any error, but it has not shown the map, so px should be like this maybe. Now save it again, and again we can see the map. Yeah, now it has been like there is a gap between the here and here. So by using this we can create a map. Now I'm going to show you the OpenLayer documentation file. So here is the documentation file. For example, when you go to OpenLayer, this will be the first screen you see. Then when you go to the docs, here are the list of tutorials. So when you go to the tutorials, here are some of the tutorials. So I use this one, building an OpenLayer application. Then it has told everything we need to do. For example, I had created npx create OL app, OpenLayer app. So after that I just start the server by using npm server, and it has been hosted in the localhost 1234, and it we can see the map as like this. Yeah. Then after I can also use one of the tutorials, for example, like ArcGIS REST feature service. So in this map we can see the feature from the ArcGIS server. So ArcGIS server, when we go to the code here, it has used this server, sample server 3. I will just show you after some time. First of all, we have to change the script in the main. So I will copy this script and I will change in the main .js and paste it here.